Somebody in my total knee replacement support group asks, I had a total knee replacement 20 days ago, so just under 3 weeks. How long till the swelling goes down? This is a really hard question to answer because there are so many things that will impact swelling after a total knee replacement surgery. For example, do you have any vascular issues? We have patients in the clinic right now that have pre-existing vascular issues. They had swollen legs and lower extremities even before the surgery. So to assume or attribute current swelling just to the knee wouldn't be a great comparison. We're doing compression wraps, we're doing compression boots if you've seen them on any of my videos to try and manage the swelling. And of course, the good old elevation, getting the leg above the heart for 10 to 20 minutes is one of the best ways without equipment to get the swelling down. But the other thing that could impact swelling is how much are you doing? If you're up and about, you're moving, you're walking with the cane, with a walker or no assistive device, but you're doing it more than you were doing before, it's totally reasonable that when you stop and sit, that swelling is going to accumulate in the leg. So I would say there is no way to say when the swelling goes away. I have patients 12 months post-op who still have warmth and swelling around the knee because they had a knee replacement a year ago. Look at how to manage the swelling, look at what is ultimately causing the swelling, and then create a strategy unique to you. If you're not sure how to do that, absolutely ask in the comments or get a physical therapist. Even if you've been discharged, which 3 weeks post-op, you're probably still seeing a physical therapist. They will help you come up with a strategy or a plan to reduce the swelling so it doesn't get in the way of your daily function.